Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here three different compounds are given, which is PQR. All have acidic hydrogen. You have to find which one is more acidic. The answer lies in the anion stability because acid donates H+. So which one donates H+ easily? It will be the more acidic compound. The stability of A- is important here. The stability can be improved by aromaticity as well as the electron withdrawing group. The opposite will be the instability created by anti-aromatic and electron donating group. So if you look at it, CF3 is strong electron withdrawing group, so it's stabilized. Second one you have methyl. The Q1 you have methyl instead of CF3, that's why it comes second. Because according to Huckel rule, it is also aromatic by 6 pi electron. The third one is interesting because it is anion, it is anti-aromatic, it has 4 and pi electron. So the stability order will be PQR. The concept you have to learn here is aromaticity and electron withdrawing group increase the acidity. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.